Hey, welcome back. My name is Evelyn Sophie and I'm here with
Untitled Chapter.
And we're going to talk today about how to build generational wealth, how to save money on taxes, and how to invest in real estate. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, let me go ahead and talk about how you can benefit from investing in real estate. First, real estate is a tangible asset. There are other investments, but with real estate, you can actually see your investment that is secured. Most of the time, your assets are appreciating with time. So you want something that you can actually see that's secured and it's appreciating. There are other leverages that you can do. Unlike other investment, with real estate, you can leverage other people's money. It's for everybody. All the money doesn't have to come from your pocket. A lot of people have this misconception that you have to be wealthy to be able to invest in real estate. That's a lie. There are so many strategies that you can invest in real estate even with zero money down. So you are leveraging other people's money to actually create generational wealth for your family. Now, there are so many other tax strategies that real estate allows investors to save from. I'm here with a CPA and a tax strategist who will tell you some few strategies that you can save your taxes just by investing in real estate.
Yes, of course. Real estate is good not just for the cash flow, in some instances building the value. It's also one of the most ways to save on taxes. There's so many tax strategies that you can leverage real estate for. For example, depreciation, right? The biggest thing is bonus depreciation. You buy a house, you can do what they call a cost segregation that increases how much depreciation you can take on the property, and you can use that to reduce your taxable income. That works great for people that are high income earners, right? They can leverage that strategy to reduce their income and save on taxes. Hey, some other people sometimes when they want to sell their houses, they come to us and say, hey, we want to sell this property, but we don't want to pay tax. Yeah, you can still do that. There's 1031 exchange that they can leverage to be able to do that. But just some few items that real estate can literally put money in your pockets, right? And some people would do that year after year, and that's how they build portfolio of 10, 15, 20 houses, right? You do a cost segregation, you leverage that depreciation, get a big tax refund, buy another property, and that's how you grow wealth.
Yeah, so there are so many other people that will talk to you about becoming a millionaire online overnight. I'm not saying that you can become a millionaire overnight, but with real estate, you want to focus on the long term. Long term in the sense that when you buy a property today, don't expect that property to appreciate 100% tomorrow. Yes, it's going to appreciate gradually. So you don't want to get fooled by the scheme that is out there that you can become a millionaire in real estate overnight. Now, you also want to build a team. Get a good realtor on your team, like myself, that knows the things that you can do to grow your portfolio. You want to get a contractor. You want to know how to run your numbers. You want to join a coaching program. I'm actually coaching people on my website, growwealtheasy.com, on how to get started. As I said before, real estate is not only for people who are wealthy. You can start anywhere. What do they say? If you keep doing what you've been doing, you're going to keep getting what you've been getting. So if nothing changes, nothing changes. So if you're ready to start building a legacy, think about what you want to leave for your family. Financial freedom, education, opportunities.
So for the strategies that I talked about earlier, you have to make sure you have a tax strategist at your site, right? Just having a CPA these days is not enough. The CPA is going to do a good job of putting the numbers in the right places and doing compliance work for you to make sure that you file your taxes correctly. But the tax strategies, you work with the tax strategists throughout the year. And the reason we do that, we talk about cost segregation, you have to make sure you qualify for some of those things, right? So there are certain things that people come to me sometimes. I bought a house, I did long-term rental for it. Okay, I mean, you can't use that to offset your stuff. There's certain things that you want to make sure that you're following the law so that when you file your taxes, you're not looking behind your shoulder to see if Uncle Sam is coming after you. So you're literally able to sleep. That's what we offer people, not just the tax strategies and filing their taxes, is the ability to do that and be able to sleep peacefully knowing that you've done things correctly. In the off chances if you get audited, we have court cases, everything for all the strategies that we do.
So you can go to www.sophie CPA Advisory Group to get in touch with Mr. Sophie.